Happy New Year 2024, first video. Promise you more videos, more content, so here we go. First day 2024. We got the truck, we got the trailer. Picked up the brother's trailer yesterday in case we do some work with it during the week, or when we do some work with it during the week. Just doing a bit of tidy up for him while he's away on holidays. Spare tyre rack gone, you see it over there. Gate carrier is gonna come off as well. I just pulled the old water tank off. He's got a toolbox on that side he's going to end up changing. These are all the new guards and everything you put on there. This is his job really, it's his trailer, but I use it. I might as well do some work on it myself, so there you go. Tyre carrier, tyres, water tank, tools laid out all nice. Got to take these bloody hangers here off, take the gate carrier off. Toolbox is staying for now until he figures out what he wants to do. I'll end up putting a couple each side. I think he's going to end up getting a dunnage across the front of there, maybe across the back. I'm not sure what he's going to do yet, but there it is. I'll throw in another clip after this once I get it all done. No grinder, no worries. The old snap-on to the rescue. Rusted fucking shit. There you go. We're done. We are done. Gate rack gone, tyre rack gone, water tank on the other side gone. Make way for some new mods that the bro will do to the trailer. I'm not sure how he's going to set it up yet. Like I was saying before, dunnage box across here and the back, or just one at the back or one at the front. I'm not sure exactly how he's going to do it. So yeah, that's it. She's all done. First day of the year. Just a few little jobs ticked off the list. I'm not going to do anything to this today. I don't need to. There's 100 things I could do, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna leave it. The next one is I have some new stainless that needs to go on, but I'll worry about that another day. Probably the Savo, but I'm gonna put these tools away, tidy the rest of this stuff up, and go enjoy the rest of the day. See you next time.